Does the Watchtower's 607 BCE date agree with the Bible? Was the temple at Jerusalem desolate for 70 years or 90 years? The Watchtower Society admits that its 607 BCE date for the fall of Jerusalem does not agree with the secular chronology, which places the destruction of Jerusalem in 587–586 BCE, yet they claim that their date aligns better with biblical chronology than the date given by secular historians. Is this true? Let's examine what Scripture has to say on this subject. The first line of evidence from the Bible that supports the secular date of 587 BCE for the fall of Jerusalem is the fact that in the 4th year of King Darius' reign, the temple at Jerusalem had been lying in ruins for 70 years, not 90 years. The biblical account in Zechariah proclaims at Zechariah 6:15, 7-1, 3, 5. And those who are far away will come and actually build in the temple of Jehovah. Furthermore, it came about that in the 4th year of Darius the king the word of Jehovah occurred to Zechariah saying, "Shall I weep in the 5th month, practicing an abstinence, the way I have done these how many years? When you fasted and there was a wailing in the 5th month and in the 7th month and this for 70 years, did you really fast to me, even me?" When did this weeping for Jerusalem and its temple start? Was the temple in Jerusalem destroyed 70 years in 587 BCE or 90 years in 607 BCE back from the 4th year of King Darius' reign? Since Zechariah 7:1 clearly shows that it was 70 years back from this date that this destruction occurred, all we need to know in order to calculate when the temple was destroyed is to determine what date was Darius' 4th year of reign. It is here that the Watchtower Society actually agrees with the date given by secular historians when it correctly states the following in the Pay Attention to Daniel's Prophecy book, 1999 page 52. Darius I, also known as Darius the Great, ascended the throne in 521 BCE. The work of rebuilding the temple in Jerusalem was under ban. Upon recovering the document containing Cyrus' decree in the archives at Ecbatana, Darius did more than removing the ban in 520 BCE. He also provided funds from the royal treasury for rebuilding the temple. So if Darius' first year of reign was in 521 BC, what date marks the 4th year of Darius the king in Zechariah 7:1? Wouldn't that be the date of 517 BC? 70 years back from 517 BCE points to 587 BCE for the fall of Jerusalem, not the Watchtower's date of 607 BCE.